Okay, so next project is to power wash the side porch. And being on the side of the road, the rain doesn't get in here and automatically clean it. So here's a cheap, inexpensive power washer that we got. It's called Greenworks. It's a 1600 psi. They don't make that anymore. It's a 1700. But I've already did some of my siding that had mold on it, and it did real well. So just basically used 1 part bleach, and then I guess 9 parts water. Yeah, something like that. Since this doesn't have any mold on it, I'm going to use the wonderful Simple Green. Yep. All-purpose cleaner. This stuff is the bomb. So first step is to wash it down with Simple Green and set it for about 20 minutes, and then come back and clean it off. Okay, I got the firewood moved and just gonna clean up the deck, and then we'll proceed with adding the Simple Green to the mix. Okay, so I got it swept up. Unfortunately, our tenant had a bunch of planters here, and kind of marred up the decking. But hopefully the pressure wash will clean that up. So here's the system here. Bring it over here to the light. Comes with everything you need. Even comes with a basically a safety switch that will trip if there's a short. Everything attaches somewhere so that you don't lose things, but unfortunately, yeah, that's right, I've misplaced some stuff. But so over here on the side there is this, which does a nice flat spray, and then this one does a wide spray, and it's adjustable. And there was 2 others that connect, but I've misplaced them. But anyway, I'm going to hook this up. The hose connects here, and then there's a power switch there. I'll show you how it works in a few minutes. Okay, so first step, of course, is to plug it in. And even though we have a outlet on the porch that is in a water resistant housing, I'm actually connecting this to a plug that's in our basement. I'm going to test out, and it works. That just basically shorted it out, like if it got water in it or whatever. Now I'm going to reset it, and there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up the hose and start the job. Okay, so I'm going to use just straight Simple Green. As it mixes with the water, it will dilute it. And I'll just spray this area down with it, come back in 15-20 minutes, and then pressure wash it off. Pretty cool. There we go. Okay, we're going to turn this on. And it pressurizes it. Everything's good to go. It's really a two-hand job, so I'll just spray this and then wow, look at all that dirt come off. And this is even not in the pressure mode. Alright, well, I'm gonna switch to the other, switch to a little bit later. I'll just pause this for a moment and then we'll return with the pressure washing stage. Okay, now we got the siding covered with simple green, and now I'm going to sit down and watch some YouTube, of course. We're going to watch An American Homestead and Big Family Homestead. So I'll be right back. Okay, just got done watching a very heart-wrenching YouTube family. I think it's called Big Family Homestead. Yes. We just got done watching a very heart-wrenching YouTube from a Big Family Homestead. We're so blessed that we're in a town that values self-sufficiency and chickens, cows. In town, we can have a cow if we had enough property. So this poor family, they were basically getting all their animals evicted, and it used to be a farm, you know, at one point. So oh well. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the pressure washer and let's see how well it does. Okay, so I added the wand to the system and I put on the nozzle. This is a flat spray, and there's my sicky wife. She's got bronchitis, and I've offered to do the laundry, but she's insisting on doing it, right? So I'm going to see if I can get some of this staining off the deck. Alright, just going to let it dry for a little while and see what difference it makes. I know there's a special chemical that you can put on here that'll clean the wood so it looks brand new, but I just wanted to see how it would look with just plain old water. And of course, as I'm doing this, all this junk is blowing back up on the siding, so we'll see. Not bad for just 120 bucks. Well, it looks really good. Looks like it's almost brand new. Very nice. Pretty good for only 120 bucks. And this looks kind of good too. It's going to take a while for it to dry, but I think it's going to look well. And then this is going to take a little bit more of a scrubbing, but still, from 2 feet away it looks fine. So now just gonna go back here and clean off this side. It's not really too dirty, but yeah, might as well since I got everything out. And then dun dun dun, re-leveling this. Stay tuned. Alright, so here is the Greenworks 1600 PSI all wrapped up, all nice and compact, ready to be stored until we need it again. So I give it 1 thumbs up because my other thumb is holding on to the phone.